Hello my beautiful little unicorns, welcome back to my channel. So today I have 3 fun crystal skincare DIYs prepared for you. These are all easy to make, inexpensive, and amazing for your skin and well-being. I will be teaching you how to make your own gem elixir, a crystal infused bath salt with daisies and red clover, as well as a crystal infused face mask and scrub. So let's get started, you guys. We're going to be starting off with the bath salt. So you're going to need some sort of jar that you're going to store your salt in. So I'm going to be using some cedar wood essential oil. Of course, you can pick the essential oil of your choice. And for my blossoms, I'm using daisies and red clover. So if you know me, then you know that I always have some Epsom salts laying around my house because sometimes I get sore muscles and I find that it's the most soothing thing when taking a bath. So I'm just scooping my Epsom salts into this jar. So once my jar is about 3/4 full of Epsom salts, I'm going to put a few drops of my essential oils in. So you can go anywhere from 10 to 20, maybe even 30 drops. Go nuts if you feel like it, and make sure that you mix it all up. Here I'm just gently adding the blossoms into the jar with the bath salt until I feel like I have enough of these beautiful blossoms in my jar. Now I'm going to give it a good shake just to evenly distribute the blossoms throughout the bath salt. Last but not least, I'm adding a clear quartz as well as a smoky quartz. This will ensure that my bath is all charged up with positive and detoxifying energies. So next up, we are creating our very own gem elixir, and first and foremost I want to say beware of toxic crystals. I have provided a short list in the description box, but please do your research before you choose your gem. I'm choosing to use a rose quartz because I would like to infuse my elixir with a lot of energy that is supportive of love as well as friendships. So after placing my crystal in a glass container, I'm going to pour it with spring water or purified water and just let that sit for 4 to 24 hours in order to infuse the water with the energy of the crystal. Make sure that you place your crystal somewhere where it can absorb the direct energy of the moonlight or the sunlight. After that, you're going to want to fill your elixir into a spray or a dropping bottle. So I just used one of the bottles that I saved from my skincare. So I'm going to fill my elixir into this bottle. So it's all done and ready to be applied to skin as a room or pillow spray, or you can even add it to your bath. And if you want to preserve your elixir, then add about 50% alcohol to the mixture in order for you to be able to keep it for weeks and weeks to come. So to make your own crystal infused face mask, you're going to need a jar of your choice as well as some honey and turmeric powder, as well as a tablespoon of dead sea salt, in which you're going to lay the non-toxic crystal of your choice. I chose an orange calcite because I want to infuse my face mask with energy that is healing of past traumas as well as allows me to be more creative. So once you've let your crystal infuse your salt with the energy of your choice, you're going to want to mix all of the ingredients together until you have a very smooth and even paste. Honey is just the most amazing ingredient for your skin. It's super hydrating and soothing, so this mask is especially great for any of you who have dry skin. I would recommend that you use this mask 2 to 3 times a week. Just let it sit on your face for 10 to 20 minutes and then rinse off with lukewarm water. And of course, if you like, you can add a few drops of your gem elixir to your face mask. And here you just see me scooping the mask into a glass container of my choice. You can scoop it up into any container that you desire. I would recommend that you keep it in the fridge because that way you can keep your crystal infused face mask for weeks and weeks to come. I hope you enjoyed this video, and let me know in the comment section which crystal skincare DIY you will be trying. Thank you so much for watching. I'm sending you a ton of love and light and positive vibes, and I'll see you in my next video.